Good morning, guys, afternoon or evening, or wherever you are. Sorry I haven't posted in a long time. Some difficulties came up, and, I wasn't allowed to upload, so this is my first video uploading after 6 days now. I'm also moving, so yeah. I'm moving tomorrow. I asked my family if they want to be in my video, and they said that's okay, so yeah, but I'm not going to do a face reveal for any family members because of privacy reasons, nor me because of privacy reasons. Maybe I'll do myself later on, maybe once I hit 500 subscribers, I don't know. Yeah, let's go. I'm still working on the friggin' lawnmower. Let me go. Ooh, my feet are cold. That. Hold on, let me zoom out. Watch this, guys. Yeah, I'm sorry the videos are gonna be crappy. I'm recording this on my tablet. Just doing some cleaning. Let me zoom out. Cleaning the valve. Looks like we've got some. Don't fall on me. Thank you. How does that valve look? The exhaust valve is bent. For God knows why. Let's get that WD-40 can out of here. Let me just sand it a little bit. There. I'll work it on. For reasons know why, I've been working on the carburetor. I got the screw out. That was shoved in the carburetor.